When it comes to looking chic and sophisticated, the right outfit can make all the difference. For a casual day out, consider pairing a silk blouse with tailored jeans. It's the perfect blend of comfort and elegance. If you're aiming for a polished midday look, a fitted midi dress in soft pastels can be effortlessly stylish, especially when paired with low heels. For formal occasions, nothing beats the classic little black dress. It's timeless and versatile. Elevate your evening wear with a floor-length gown in rich hues like emerald or burgundy for that wow factor. In the workplace, a high-waisted pencil skirt paired with a silk blouse exudes professionalism, while a tailored jacket with stylish trousers strikes the perfect balance between business and casual. And don't underestimate the power of a wrap dress. It's an easy choice that looks polished without sacrificing comfort. Each of these outfits not only enhances your style but also boosts your confidence, ensuring you stand out in any setting. Chic winter clothing is all about blending warmth with style. Picture this: knee-high leather boots paired with a long wool coat in camel or classic black. It's sophisticated yet so comfortable. Don't forget to add a silk scarf for that touch of elegance. Now, let's talk about the timeless combination of a fitted turtleneck tucked into a midi skirt. This look is effortlessly chic, especially when you finish it off with a structured handbag and ankle boots. And who can resist a stylish belted sweater dress? It creates a stunning silhouette when cinched at the waist, especially when layered with a fitted coat and those knee-high boots. As we transition to summer, think flowing maxi gowns in floral prints or solid colors, perfect for that elegant vibe. Pair it with a braided purse and nude sandals for a complete look. For a more casual summer outfit, a fitted crop top with wide-legged linen pants is both chic and comfy. Add oversized sunglasses for a dash of glam. And let's not forget the classic combo of high-waisted denim shorts with a crisp white button-down shirt. It's stylish and carefree, perfect for those sunny days. Remember, the key to elegant fashion lies in well-fitting garments and quality fabrics. Choose your outfits wisely, accessorize thoughtfully, and you'll always look put together.